Hello everybody from Peninsula Concrete, the cream of concrete. So yeah, that's the slogan we came up with. I think it's pretty sticky, we like it. So this is the sign that I came up with. It's made out of cedar. Cedar is one of my favorite trees. I like how you can do furniture, the smell when you log the cedar. Anyway, so Tone and Group Cedar, lettering. I bought it from Hobby Lobby. 906-553-3866. Please call us. Let us know what projects you have in mind. Driveways, sidewalks, stand patios, anything you like. With concrete we can do. So we just reached 130 subscribers. Our target is to reach 100,000. Please help us with that mission. Stay tuned for the content. Well, riding around town, I just saw Bichler's. Bichler is here. This is the concrete company in this town. They are mixing concrete. Bichler, man. Yeah. Yeah. What's that?
You buy it from Little Bay now?
Never. I just got like a few jobs by Trenary. I use them because I got jobs by Trenary, so since they are a little closer, so I just call them.
Oh, okay. I'm just curious.
Say hi to the people that loves you.
Who you got on there? I mean, I know that's me, but what's going on?
This is a video for YouTube. Yeah. I am opening a YouTube channel. It's about concrete.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Did you do that job right at the wood yard there? Or the sawmill?
Yeah, I did.
Yeah. On a Saturday or two?
Yeah.
Pump? Yeah.
I had to call the pump guy. It was the biggest job that I have done so far.
Yeah, that'd be probably 60 yards a day or a piece or so.
And it was quite a bit. So how long you say you've been driving? Like 20 years?
35.
Many years of service. Tremendous, great guy.
35?
Yeah.
Always with Bichlers?
Yeah.
35. This is the man with most experience around town.
Alright.
I'm gonna see if I can take a peek and see what they're doing over there.
Pouring a wall.
Who's this for?
He's opening up a brewery. It's called Saunders Point Brewing.
Awesome.
Saunders Point Brewing.
Okay. Is any contractor in particular?
Pardon?
Who's doing it? There's no Melvin.
No, it's him. He works at the paper mill.
Oh.
These are all his buddies.
He does it himself? This guy right here?
No, he's not the guy. He's inside. His name is last name's Mills, but I don't know his first name.
Alright, I'm gonna see if I can take a video with some content for the watchers.
I'm sure they wouldn't mind.
Alright. It's coming down. I love it, baby. Man down. 3 more to go.
What's the YouTube channel?
It's called Peninsula Concrete.
The cream of concrete.
Check this out. I will be posting up this video probably tonight. So, you say you're gonna open a brewery?
Yeah.
What's the name of the brewery?
Saunders Point Brewing.
Saunders Point?
Yeah.
Okay, any special recipe?
Oh, lots of special recipes. Every one of them, right, Chris? Yeah, they're all special.
We're gonna make sure we come here and check you out.
Okay.
So
Check
you
out the Facebook page. We got a bunch of stuff going on there you can look at.
Okay, we'll do that.
One more.
One more, then we're moving it all the way
I'm all moving all the way back.
So after this
Actually, we might need two here. Yeah. We're gonna put galvanized deck over this and then pour the concrete on top of it.
Gotcha. All right.
You didn't even notice it, eh?
Empty.
What's that? Well, yeah, one more because there's nothing.
Best wishes to you.
Thank you.
Thanks for another load. Looking good. Little by little, eh? Looking good, man. Good. They're getting some progress.
What's that?
Do they have any fibers on this? Nah.
They put fiber in.
They did?
Yeah.
Nice.
Yep.
All right, Pat.
All right, see
God
ya.
bless.
Okay.
Stay hard.
All right.
Woohoo! Dun, 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 dun.